If you are looking for luxury and comfort similar to that of a private tour, but at a lower price by sharing costs with others, Italy Tour Sharing is the best choice for you. Use the Tour Finder tool located on the top right-hand corner to select your port of call and date of service to see if there is someone from your cruise who has already started a group that might interest you. If not, you can be the one to create a group and take advantage of the group creator discount. Select the tour that interests you most. Carefully check the tour inclusions and itinerary, as well as the rate per person scheme at the bottom right-hand corner. Then, select the date of service and proceed by clicking the Create Group button. Simply fill in the required fields and set the maximum group size to your liking. Please remember, our largest minivans seat up to 8 guests, and for groups larger than 8, we will use multiple minivans, hence the rate increase. Once you have completed the form, read through and agreed to the terms and conditions, and confirmed you are not a robot, simply click Create to submit the reservation. Fellow cruisers will then be able to find your group on our website using the Tour Finder tool, or at the bottom of any web page under the section entitled Groups Closing Soon. You can also share the group's HTTP link through social media. To join an existing group, click the Join Now button and complete the reservation process. If you have questions, get in touch with the group creator or with us through the Contact Us webpage. Thank you again for considering Italy Tour Sharing. We can't wait to welcome you in Italy.